Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate VIP in Last War. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is locate the VIP button. So on your game's main screen, look at the top bar, usually near your avatar profile. In my case, it's under my profile, so click into that, and I'm currently at VIP 1. You can also see the progress bar and your current VIP level here, and the perks unlocked at higher levels, and you can use these VIP points or VIP items. So you activate or upgrade VIP status using these VIP points gained from missions, daily rewards or purchases, and VIP activation items like VIP 1 day or VIP 7 days. These can be found in your inventory and items tab. So if I come back to my main screen, click into inventory, and now this is where they're going to appear in your items tab up top here. Now, in order to activate it, so if you have a VIP item, tap use to activate it. If you have enough VIP points, you can increase your VIP level automatically as well. And you want to maintain your VIP. So VIP time runs for a limited duration, for example 24 hours or 7 days. To keep VIP active, keep using VIP items or recharge with gold.